The book that we decided to use for our model was Where the Wild Things Are by Maurice Sendak. We chose this book as it is a childhood favourite of ours and is well known by many children. The scene that we have chosen to bring to life through our model is when Max is arriving at the island where the wild things live. This scene was chosen as it's the most iconic scene in the book, and we believe that it was the best scene to be able to incorporate the working systems that we wanted to use. In the scene that we chose, the boat is seen travelling to the island and the wild things' eyes light up as they are illustrated as being bright yellow in the book. The model that we've done is within the size limits, being 30 centimetres by 25 centimetres by 25 centimetres. We have integrated pneumatic and electrical systems into our model. The pneumatic system works by compressing the air from one syringe to the other, which the boat is attached to. This creates movement in which the boat moves across the water. The pneumatic system is controlled at the back of the model where it can be clearly seen, however it is embedded into the model so it cannot be seen when the system is working. So as you can see here, when the model is pushed out, you can see how the boat moves out with the syringe. The electrical system works by connecting the switch at the back, which is composed of split pins and a paper clip to complete the circuit, which then lights the bulbs to light up the eyes of the wild things. So in the circuit we've also used 3 batteries to ensure that there's enough electricity flowing through the circuit to reach all of the light bulbs. A variety of different materials and joining techniques were used to complement the model. Some of the materials and joining techniques included using fabrics, cardboard, clay, hot glue guns, sewing, masking tape and blue tack. Different materials and joining techniques were used depending on the functionality, such as using blue tack to attach the light bulbs so they can be removed and replaced if needed, or using clay or the trees as they looked the most realistic. We believe the model is durable due to the types of materials such as the canvas boards and using materials to create stability. So on the sides, when gluing the 2 canvas boards together, we noticed that they weren't sticking or weren't holding and we're going to fall back, so we glued a popsicle stick either side of the canvas boards to ensure that they would be stable enough to hold everything. Also, as you can see at the back of the monsters, there's black boxes which help with containing the light being produced in the circuit. Also, we've used tissue paper and the shrub, as well as putting holes at either side to cover up the pneumatic system, as well as the wave at the front. Challenges that we came across when completing our model included getting the electric circuit to work. We had the circuit connected together, however it was not lighting up the bulbs. With some persistence, we went through all of our wires and connectors to find where our circuit was not connecting, and eventually we were able to make it work. So when we first designed the model, we originally planned to use 5 light bulbs to light all 5 of the monster's eyes. And we tried the circuit with using the double battery pack and found that it wasn't strong enough, so we added another battery to the system. And after talking to Beck, we decided that the system or the batteries weren't going to be strong enough to support the amount of light bulbs we had. So we ended up taking out 2 of the light bulbs and using 3 to ensure that there was enough light to go through to each light bulb. We also feel that it's going to be a good teaching resource as it clearly shows how the system goes, and students will be able to use the systems and interact with the model while gaining an understanding for the model, while also showing that the model is a good representation of the chosen scene from the book. And we're really pleased with how it's turned out.